Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix iPhone can't send messages to Android. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Many iPhone users often encounter this problem where their messages fail to reach Android users, causing frustration and communication barriers. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve this issue. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you see an option called Messages. Once you found it, tap on it. Now you'll see the iMessage option. So iMessage is exclusive to Apple devices, and you can't use iMessage to send messages to Android devices. If you have this enabled, turn it off and turn it back on. By doing this, it will resolve any bugs or glitches with a message. Then scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called Send as SMS. All you have to do next is enable this option. Now, you should be able to send messages to Android users using your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.